Hello. It's the first documentary on my going to my hair palace, as it called. This is before the flight, so this is me now. See? Need to get that work done. Hey, what's up? So we made it to the check-in area, or whatever, the boarding area, and so we're just waiting for a flight to go to Hungary, so we'll let you know how it go and how my hair. So bye. But anyway, I want to talk to you about when I got to Hungary airport. Do you want to?
It's just you.
And my wife came with me too for support. So as you can see, I'm going in for my blood test tomorrow morning. Right now it's 1:30 in the morning, so I need to get some sleep very quickly. We got picked up at the airport straight away by a guy called Daniel. Great guy. Like, he was so accommodating, took all our clothes. He took all our cases and stuff like that, yeah. And, he brought us to the apartment and he showed us the thing. Had a bit of trouble with the plastic in the electric thing. Had to ring somebody from the hair palace, and I felt a bit bad. But we worked it out. Any plastic can do. So I have a blood donor's card in there now, so it works. The apartment, as you can see, beautiful, is amazing. So look, you have this amazingly cute, comfortable couch, a great TV, a fantastic kitchen. Look at this kitchen here. Look at this. Amazing. Follow us in here to this is a bedroom. Okay. Bedroom. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. I'm not sitting in that other room. Oh my god, the bathroom. And it's beautiful. The bathroom.
And they have
probably won't be able to use it because of my hair.
Single toilet.
Oh, a single toilet. For the women. Or if you want to make a manly. So that's it. That's what we have for you right now. Tomorrow we're going to the blood test, so we'll let you know what it's like walking down to the clinic. We're going to have a look at the map, get up early, make sure that we find a place. And then after we get the blood test, please God, I can get something to eat. Bye-bye. Do you want to say anything?
Bye.
Hey everybody. Yeah, just finished the blood test. Came out of the apartment. There was a guy there waiting for me to drive me to the clinic, which is not the Hair Palace clinic. This one was probably about not an hour away, probably 20 minutes away. And went in, told them that I'm with the Hair Palace, told them my name. Within about 2 minutes, they took all my blood, all the different samples that they had to take, slapped this thing onto me, and told me to go away. I asked, didn't say go away, just said thank you very much. And that was it. The driver took us back to the apartment, and by the way, really friendly. His name is Attila, as in Attila the Hun. Really good. He was telling us the sites to go to and stuff like that while we're here. So anyway, the next time you'll see me will be probably the morning of the surgery, which is tomorrow. So we'll talk to you then. Bye. Hey everybody. So this is the morning of the surgery. I'm gonna say goodbye to this hair. So yeah, we're walking from the apartment right now to the place. So we'll I think the next video you'll see is Paul Guy or the surgery or something. So we'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Hey everybody, just getting changed into my stuff to go in. I just filled out the forms. Here's my pills. That's the menu. So, you get a lockbox. So, we'll see what happens, okay? Hey, just got prepped, as you can see. So, look like a hooligan. But anyway, this is the shave your head before surgery, so talk to you soon. Hey everyone, just got past the extraction process. Wasn't that bad. I think I actually fell asleep halfway through. So we're just having a bit of a break. A bit, tired. I honestly think I did fall asleep, but yeah, I liked it. The extraction process was grand. The injections very easy. So I'll talk more about it later. Hey, halfway done. Dinner, pizza. So yeah, I'm watching The Hangover at the moment. They're really, really good. It's amazing service, amazing. Can't recommend it enough. Anyway, talk to you soon. Hey everyone. As you can see, this is just day 1 finished of my surgery. It's mad looking, as you can see. They offered to do an extra few hair, 1,000 hairs for, extra. So I'm looking forward to it. It was pretty easy, actually. As I said, the dinner or the lunch was amazing.
What did you have?
I had pizza and profiteroles for dessert with loads of cream. Yeah, oh my god, it was so good. Sorry. And then went back straight to work and finished by 2:30, 2 o'clock.
I thought
That's for the first day. I thought it was going to be finished at 6 or something. Nope, 2 o'clock. Watched the movie, watched The Hangover, as I think I told you before. And they gave me an umbrella. And
it's painful. How are you feeling now?
It's not painful at all. But during the surgery, there was a slight kind of, not stinging. You wouldn't mind it. Trust me, it's the pain in it. But the extraction is nothing. You can't even feel the extraction. I fell asleep twice. I actually did. Fell asleep twice on the table. I asked the nurses, did I? And they said, yeah. And then the other one, putting the hairs in, the implants, I was falling asleep near the end. And then they just said, okay, you know what, you're done now anyway. Sent me home with a nice bar of chocolate. They have a Hair Palace chocolate, it's lovely. And a few other things, loads of notes, the spray, the pills, and the pillow cover in case, you have a problem. But you have to look, now you have to like and you have to share on Facebook and
recommend to your friends.
Recommend to your friends. But anyway, day 2, I'll let you know how it's going. And then after that, I think I'm going to do a week, a month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. So, but to you, it's just going to be video. So you're not going to be waiting. So that's it. So that's my hair.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the donor area. So I do highly recommend it. It's amazing. Bye. Hey everybody, it's day 2, and I'm heading back to get part 2 of the surgery. Last night was okay sleeping. Had to sleep on my back. It was a bit of an inconvenience, but apart from that, no problems. I'll talk to you. Hey everyone, what's the story? Back in the apartment right now. That was my last day. So as you can see, this is what it looks like at the back. So basically, it was a bit more painful because you have to go back, but on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being, oh my god, that's painful, and one not so much painful. I'd say about 5, you know what I mean? It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. And if you are in a bit of pain, they'll just numb you, you know, so they have an injection there that and you don't even feel the injection, to be honest with you. It's crazy. You don't see it. Had another lunch consisting of the same food because I loved it yesterday. They gave me like total instructions on what to do. You know, the solution that I spray in my hair on my head every hour. And I think that's it. I think I've covered everything. Can't take a shower, but all this does be explained to you step by step. And if you have problems, they'll repeat it. So you have nothing to worry about. You're in great hands. We'll see in a week how this is, okay? So we'll see you in a week. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's a day after the surgery. As you can see, it's kind of dried, kind of, you know, crust, whatever. And the back of the head, I don't know, I can't get it, but it's, you know, all in all, everything is stiff, you know. And so basically, so I'm holding the camera now, my wife is. So it's basically, I was talking to Alan Santos and Jeff Sullivan, and they assured me that, you know, afterwards it gets better. So just keep spraying the saline solution onto your head, but not close. Okay, make sure it's a mist. Okay, when you're holding it, hold it far away. You don't want to dislodge any of the implants or anything like that, you know. And do not spray in the back of your head, you know. So just hold that up a bit, honey, just there. Yeah, everything is fine. Seems to be grand. I'd love to go out on board in the apartment, you know, because, you know, it's gorgeous out. It's like 27, 28 degrees, but I can't. So I'll probably bring out the umbrella and go to the cafe, but we'll see what happens anyway. But as I said, that's it. Okay, peace.